This Coldwell Banker High Country Realty property video is presented by Reeves. Affordable and adorable 2-log mountain getaway that is ready for you. 2 bedrooms / 1 bath, open kitchen, dining, laundry, open great room with / soaring wood burning fireplace and expanded, open porch deck to enjoy the amazing year-round mountain views. Spend the weekend exploring the 36,000 acres of national forest that abuts this community. Tucked away into the wilderness with total privacy, but wonderful neighbors nearby. Quaint and simple but perfect for separating yourself from the stresses of life. That is what it's all about. For more information, review the details below or contact Reeves at 706-455-2418.